QRZ-DX beaming into Europe. QRZ Delta X-ray beaming into Europe. This is Alpha Baker 1 Alpha India. Alpha Bravo 1 Alpha India calling CQ Delta X-ray and bye for any call. QRZ-DX, QRZ Delta X-ray. This is Alpha Baker 1 Alpha India. Alpha Bravo 1 Alpha India beaming into Europe and bye for any call. Okay, Radio Whiskey 4. I hear a Radio Whiskey 4. Could you have your full call, please? QSL, Radio Whiskey 4, Foxtrot Delta. A very good evening to you. Thanks again for coming back to the call. And we have some good propagation between us this afternoon into your part of the world. You're coming in a good 5 and 5, my friend. A 55. Name is Brian. Bravo Radio Italy Alpha November. Located in the state of Connecticut, Wallingford in the state of Connecticut. I'm about 100 kilometers north of New York City, running 500 watts into a 4-element KLM tri-band beam at 22 meters. Radio Washington 4, Florida Delta from Alpha Baker 1 Alpha India. Okay, fine, Vitt. Well, you're doing a fantastic job. No problems at all. No QRM. A little bit of QR Nancy here, but it definitely sounds perfect. Anyway, Vitt, have yourself a very good evening. Have a great weekend. And thanks again for coming back to the call. QSL cards 100% Vita Bureau. 73s, my friend, and we'll catch you again soon. Radio Whiskey 4, Florida Delta from Alpha Baker 1 Alpha India. 73s. Bye-bye, Vitt. Sidania, we'll catch you again. And this is Alpha